Sku Grid has implemented a safe way to get your items automatically tracked and repriced without the need for API integration. As you add your items to Sku Grid, the software will calculate your selling price based on your supplier cost and either your default formula or override formula, and it will also store in a database whether or not the item should be in or out of stock. This information can be transferred to a CSV file for importing into eBay's file exchange, and Sku Grid has developed a Chrome extension that will automate the process of updating your actual eBay listings. In this video, we will show you how to get started. First, click on the link included below in the description of this video. It is a link to the Chrome extension. Click the Add to Chrome button. Click OK to accept the authorization. The extension will begin to install, and once installed, you will see the Sku Grid logo in your toolbar. Click the tab to go back to your Sku Grid account. Click Settings. Click Remote API. Copy your Remote API key. Click on the Sku Grid logo in your toolbar to access the extension settings. Paste in your Sku Grid remote key. Be sure that you did not copy any extra white space before or after the remote key. Next, enter your email address below that. Check the first box to check changes at Sku Grid every, and enter how often you would like the extension to check your grid for changes. The default is 10 minutes. Check the second box to upload to eBay every, and enter how often you would like the extension to upload your file exchange CSV to eBay. The default is 180 minutes. If you want the extension to update Sku Grid with your newly listed items and also update your items back to default quantity after sales, you will also need to configure these settings. Check the third box to upload to Sku Grid and set how often you would like this action performed. The default is 180 minutes. This will grab your eBay active item CSV from File Exchange and send it to Sku Grid. Any items that exist in your eBay account that are not already in your Sku Grid account will be added to Sku Grid. The supplier URL will be blank on them, and you will need to edit those entries and put in the correct supplier URL to ensure proper tracking. This ensures that as you continue to list items, they get added into Sku Grid for you. Check the fourth box to upload sales to Sku Grid and set the time intervals you want. The default is 180 minutes. This will cause the extension to get a CSV from eBay File Exchange containing your items that have had sales. The data will be sent to Sku Grid so that it knows to revise the quantity on those items. Click the marketplace that you are selling on. Note, if you are using the same Sku Grid and eBay account to sell on more than one eBay country marketplace, then hold your control button and click to select more than one country. You can only use the Chrome extension for one Sku Grid and eBay account. If more than one Sku Grid and eBay account is being used, you will have to set up and run the Chrome extension as a different user in a different Chrome browser. Click Save Settings. Once activated, the extension will begin checking your Sku Grid account for changes at the interval you specified, and will then upload the changes to your eBay account at the other interval that was specified. There are two additional buttons. The first is Check Changes Now. This option will show you how many changes are pending, and when clicked, will allow you to check the grid for newly updated information. This does not refresh or check your supplier information. It only causes the extension to look to the databases for new changes. You will also notice that the Chrome extension gives you a visual counter display to show you how many pending changes still need to be pushed to eBay. The second button is to update to eBay now. This will generate a file exchange CSV automatically based on the changes that the extension has already noticed, and will upload that CSV to the file exchange for you if you need to push the changes through faster than waiting for normal intervals you specify. On this button, you will also see the last time an upload was sent to eBay. Once sent, if when eBay processed the items, it resulted in any fails, you will see error logs shown under this option. If you click the marketplace for the error log, you will be able to download a CSV containing failed changes. This will be helpful if you are ever questioning why a change was not completed, as the report will give you information about failed changes. If you need to force the retrieval of your active or sold items from eBay to Sku Grid, you can click the Download from eBay Now or the Upload Sales to Sku Grid Now. Then you can click those buttons respectively. We hope that this Chrome extension will help you automate your Sku Grid inventory management in a safe way. Please keep in mind that eBay only allows 5,000 file exchange updates per day for most users. So if you have a large number of items or will be having the extension update for you automatically very frequently, you may need to contact eBay and ask for a file exchange limit increase. Thanks for watching.